but one is like for them to give us the information and their availability as to storage capacity, kung may bakante sila. And then also oblige them to accommodate PNOC oil if ever there is available storage capacity. And also we've done a few already actually, and instructed. The really recent was instructed them that they have to follow the minimum rollback or the maximum rollback price increase that DOE from here on will prescribe.
Wala pa kayong masasabi offhand na based on the information they have submitted na of course everyone is asking about it, no? Yung mga tao, sobra naman itong mga oil companies na to, sobrang kumita. I mean, is that a valid observation based on your initial review of the information submitted to you?
I do understand the question and the doubt because there's this is a totally unregulated industry, and with an unregulated industry and as public service at that, no, because this is a commodity that everybody uses. There has to be a level of transparency. Yun yung yun yung dapat meron, no? Bawi ka sa you don't regulate, but it has to be transparent, and that's what we're trying to do, no? Make it more transparent. And so far kasi with all the namana na natin ito ng mga rules, it hasn't been like that. And in fact, there was an attempt before it was brought to the Supreme Court, the attempt of DOE back then. So now na may Supreme Court ruling na, and we have issued our department circular, hopefully we'll have more. This is not to blame on anyone, but for everyone to understand. And if there is a problem, then there has to be a certain process also that PCC actually is now on board na. They're actually getting the information from us in documents. So yes, I think I cannot tell you about the behavior of our, because that's too soon, not too early. But what I know is that there has been a lot of oil companies na yung mga producers talaga, yun talaga from other countries. I think they're the ones that really made a lot of money during this crisis.